Perfect.
It's Ella and Anna, and today on Ella and Anna's Funky Stuff we're going to be making some slime for the first time. Sometimes the daddy's going to be helping with because we've never made it before. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add some glue in. I'm going to add it green. Well, we actually attempted once, but it didn't really work. You don't want that. I want the big ball. Oopsies. Got it out the bowl.
Ella.
I accidentally pulled it out the bowl.
Wait, I'm going to shake it. Then it will go out.
Okay.
That's
it. So we've got some baby wipes now so that I can wipe it. So I'm going to take it out of my second bowl because I don't want it in my second bowl.
What's the next ingredient?
I don't know. Gonna clean my second bowl because I don't want it going in my second bowl.
We don't know what the...
I think the next ingredient is shaving cream.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do my shaving cream.
Then I'll add my...
it's actually shaving gel.
Yeah.
Yeah, because hopefully it's not green because I want my slime to be white. Oh, it's blue! Yeah, you get blue slime.
I want blue! Dad, the shaving gel is blue!
So I'm just going to mix it.
Oh my goodness, that's nice.
Yeah, and we'll add loads in as well. So we're just going to mix it. It's actually starting to form kind of because sometimes... Okay, so far it's going good.
I need some more food colour. I think I'll need some more glue
So I'm going to add some soap in now. The soap is blue as well, so I'm going to have a very blue slime.
Me too.
The soap is kind of a clear blue.
I need mine really blue.
It's kind of working already.
I need mine really blue, like. So, I'm going to have loads of slime.
Same. I'm going to add a little bit more glue in because I think I added too much soap.
I need the...
Okay, so
2 squirts. But it's kind of working.
So it's kind of runny.
Why is it kind of already like... Wait, it's not ready!
It's kind of pulling away from the bowl a little bit. But I'm gonna
That's not ready at all. I add too much lemon gel out. I'm gonna make a hole in the middle and put the soap in there.
And ours is really good.
And a soap! Stop! That was 4 square. I want my slime to be really blue.
Okay, so
I need...
gonna try opening baking powder because we haven't got any baking soda. But we've also got some water as well
to activate. And put... Where's the water? I'm just getting the water, guys. It's really far away.
I'm gonna go and get a spoon to do the baking powder. Oh, that's too much. Just mix.
It's gloopy now. Oh.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water in before.
Why did it start to form a tiny bit? But not.
Okay, I'll be back.
That was really square. This is actually gonna.
And I'm back. Hey, no, I'm doing it first.
Fine. I can't believe this is actually low.
So I'm just gonna add that much in to start off with. There you go. Look, it's sinking in. Mine's actually kind of activating.
Ella, look, mine's starting to get all the balls. Ooh.
It's kind of overflowing.
Mine definitely overflowed.
So we might need to use the second bowl.
Mine don't do anything.
Well, I don't know.
Look, mine's definitely overflowing.
Wow. Yeah, put some in your second bowl.
Have you done that?
Whoa, putting some in my second bowl.
Oh,
So my second bowl is a pink bowl.
my second bowl is blue. Bowl.
Oh! Anna, I'm putting mine in my second bowl. Can't believe I actually got the littlest bowl, so I'm surprised hers is overflowing. I don't think I should have put that much glue in.
I need more.
So I think we'll need to retry that. I think I should have only put a tiny bit of glue in. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna get
I've
my
put too
baby
much
wipes
saving
in.
gel on.
Have you?
Yeah,
Anna, put it in your second bowl.
fine. I'm just gonna pour some out. Oh my goodness.
So okay, so there's me first bit. So I'm gonna do one more scoop. Well, this is gonna get messy, guys.
Aye.
Tempting to me. Slime number 1, I think is going to be filled.
Yes. I need more bacon.
Okay, we've hardly got any baking soda left. Well, we haven't got that much left. So I'm gonna try, so I'm gonna keep that, and I'm gonna try Bichon soda of soda. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try it.
Mine's starting.
Oh,
Gonna
wow, that's
overflow.
so good.
Oh. Dad, the table's very messy.
Yeah, we should have put a cloth down. So there's them. Gonna mix this one first.
This is not quite doing anything.
It's not really doing anything, but I'm still gonna mix it.
We don't know what is.
We should have watched slime videos, but then Anna always puts them off because she says other videos. She's crazy. So I'm gonna just put this side and focus on this one for a bit.
Oopsie, I need a baby wipe.
Oh wow, Anna. Now, I'll pass you one.
This is messy. We might have to turn the camera off.
Yeah, we might have until we get a form of slime. I mean, like mine right now, it just looks like blue chocolate mousse.
Mine does.
Well, blue mousse.
Yeah. Not blue chocolate. Blueberry mousse. Looks like blueberry mousse. Okay, I'm messy.
2, 1.
I think I need some help.
think you need bigger balls.
Yeah, I think we need bigger balls.
I think we need one of those big balls, like. Are we just gonna?
Okay, so mine's actually starting to form, kind of.
Mine's not.
Because it's not that sticky. Wow.
Mine's really like foamy.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to get anywhere soon, so sometimes we might have to turn the camera off. We might even have to do a part 2. Okay, so we've got bigger balls now. I'm just going to finish mixing this and I'm going to mix the other one in and then I'm going to pour them both into the big bowl.
That's still nearly overflowed.
Scrape it out with a spoon.
Dad, literally, I've just got 4. Blue 4.
Yeah. Yeah, last time mine turned out not that well, and I think it's going to be the same this time.
Yeah. Because last time it wasn't very good.
Last time it didn't do anything. It didn't even poke last time.
Yeah, last time it was just...
It slipped out of my hands.
How did Ella get home that well? By just literally blue button.
Same. So I'm going to put my other one in now. It's kind of dripping out the bowl because like, it's all on the side of the bowl.
I've got loads of slime.
So
I think I'll maybe do a bubble with this.
Oh wow, mine is actually coming out very good. Wow, I've had that much slime, wow. I think I've added too much stuff into it. I think I'm going to add some more glue.
I've nearly got no glue left.
Yeah, and I've only got no glue left because hers was almost empty. Because we've had these in the cupboard for a long time. Okay, that's probably enough glue.
Not. Look at my glue.
Oh wow, and I think that's enough.
I think
You might want to keep some.
I don't remember that said you might have to share some.
Yeah, I might have to share with her.
Because she had definitely more than me.
Yeah, I nearly had a full bottle. She had nearly an empty bottle.
Yeah, mine was only up to that.
Oh wow, it's actually starting to kind of form.
Mine's not at all. I'm just going to literally pull this.
Don't pour it all in. Stop.
No, that's not enough.
And I stop. I need the water, but I can't reach the water. I think my dad's
You don't want to put too much water in it.
Yeah.
Don't put too much water, otherwise it'll overactivate. I'll get more glue.
I don't think you need water. Doesn't activate it.
We need...
No more water.
Has Mummy got eye contacts and thingy?
No.
Because that also activates. That's
Okay, we've nearly got no baking soda.
But
We're going to have to start using this. Because there's nearly no baking soda.
I need the baking soda.
And I hardly none left. Soon we're going to have to just start playing with it with sway and holding it up on.
Oh.
It's actually starting to get tougher and starting to form.
Mine's actually starting to get tougher.
Is
Mine is.
Just pause. Stop.
So-
Freeze.
so we'll have to. So we'll see you again when we've actually got some slime. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so not really got anywhere.
Yeah. So I just want to like turn the camera off and try it.
Well, we might have to. We're gonna do a part 2. So we might be working on this slime all day. I'm still in my dongs.
I'm still in my clothes.
Woo.
My mind's starting to get somewhere. I haven't actually used that much. What did you chill?
So this is almost empty. Hopefully we've got some more.
Yeah.
I mean, like soap might fix it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of everything else for you.
I'm just gonna start mixing. Let's start to actually get tougher.
That's all I'm adding in for that. Can I add some of this in? The mixing soda thing. Baking soda. It's got some. Okay, that's in a mix. See what happens right now. We're kind of experimenting because we've never made slime before.
Yeah. I need to. This is nearly empty.
Yeah, I know. Both of them are almost empty, so don't use
No.
that much.
No, Ella. One of them is already empty.
It's not. It's got a little bit in. So try not to use too much stuff because we don't want it to overflow in these big balls.
No.
Even though it's not almost.
Ella, try it.
I want to go in with my hands, but it's not ready.
What is it? Can I let it like start to use some of your glue?
Not yet. I think you've still got a tiny bit. I'm gonna go and see. I'm gonna experiment, and I'm gonna go and see if my dad's got some air condition. Because last time we made it, it helped a lot, but it didn't make it stretchy. But soap makes it stretchy, so I think that's gonna work. So I'll be back in a minute for this. Dad, I need air conditioning. Because remember how last time it worked? Soap makes it stretchy. Yeah,
This is how far I look.
We've got some! Yay!
We've got some air conditioning.
Wait, not in your face.
What's Space Star?
Yeah.
Don't know how to do this.
Can you put them in mine?
Okay. Stop.
Put them in mine, please.
Stop! I'll leave it there.
It's not actually helping it.
Have you got any air conditioning?
Air freshener. No.
Air freshener. Just look. Because that's made mine just a bit watery.
It hasn't made mine a bit watery. I think I need to go glue. I think I'll need some more glue.
Okay, it looks like we're gonna have a lot of slime here.
Yes.
If it ever turns into slime. Which I don't think it is going to for a million years.
Yeah. I need some more air condition. Right? No. This makes it shiny, Ella. Hello. as well. Shiny blue.
Okay, comment down below if you know how to make slime.
Yeah.
And tell us how. I don't think this is slime.
No, I don't think this is slime.
It's better than mine. I mean, like, this is almost empty. Well,
It is really empty.
I don't think you need any more of that.
Our dad's gonna help us now. So we're just going to pause the video for me.
well,
And see how much it turns
we're gonna do a part 2, so.
So bye guys. We're gonna show you how our slimes are when they're done. Bye.